Dear students, we are beginning with a new lesson today. The name of the lesson is angles. You have studied about angles earlier also. You know what is meant by an angle in mathematics. And we also know that in the construction or in the drawing of an angle, the minimum requirement is there will be a line drawn from a common vertex which will be converted into ray by marking arrow tips, right? This comes into our mind whenever we think about angle, and we also know that angles are named using English alphabets. We normally name using English alphabets in such a way that we can simply write angle ABC. For in this case, how will we write? We write angle A ABC, right? And if it is ABC, we'll write the same name over here on the arms of the angle. A here, the vertex will be B, and the other arm will be C. So we named the angle. So this is basically fundamentally एक angle बोले तो ये है. Now, if I try to draw more angle, I'm just going to draw angles without much. This is another angle. This is another angle. This is another angle. Forget about the arrow tips. I'm just telling you, these are angles. This is another angle. Correct? This is another angle. So when I say angle, what is changing in this? Is it the length of the arm changing? No. Actually, when we say these are different angles, it is this expansion in between these two arms are different. See, ये बहुत बड़ा expansion है, ये छोटा है expansion. This is in the opposite direction. These angles are different because the measure of the angle or expansion between the arms or the space between the arms are different. ये जो दो आर्म्स के बीच में जो गैप है ना, वो बढ़ते हैं कम होते हैं, उसके हिसाब से एंगल बदलता है. एंड इन दिस चैप्टर आप एंगल्स के कैटेगरीज पढ़ते हैं डिपेंडिंग ऑन द मेजर ऑफ द एंगल. मेजर ऑफ द एंगल बोले तो यही है, ये जो दो आर्म्स के बीच में जो गैप है या एक्सपेंशन है उसका मेजरमेंट. तो उसका मेजरमेंट फिर कैसे करेंगे? आपको दिए गए अरे आपके पास जो ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स है उसके अंदर एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. द नेम ऑफ द इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज प्रोट्रैक्टर. आई विल शो यू. दिस इज द प्रोट्रैक्टर. देखो थोड़ा बड़ा करके दिखाता हूँ आपको. दिस इज द प्रोट्रैक्टर. द पेक्यूलियरिटी इज दैट द प्रोट्रैक्टर इज हैविंग ए ब्लू लाइन में देखो फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट देयर इज एन इनर स्केल इज देयर 10 20 30. वी कैन कॉल इट एज इनर. अंदर एक स्केल है, वैसे बाहर भी एक स्केल है 0 10 20 30 40. मतलब फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ अस एक काउंटिंग जा रहे हैं. द सेम वे फ्रॉम द राइट साइड ऑल्सो काउंटिंग जा रहे हैं. So depending upon on which side the angle is open or how the angle is created, we have to use the scale. तो आपको समझ में आएगा. So let us take a little more seriously. What are the different types of angle depending upon the measure or size of the angle? चलो वापस एंगल ड्रॉ करके बताता हूँ. I am drawing an angle here. an angle is drawn. इसको मैं थोड़ा ऐसा रखना है. Okay, an angle. I am going to draw another angle, right? The third angle. Now I am thinking about these three angles now. Let me measure the angle with protractor. Yes, it is exactly 90 degree. Here it is less than 90 degree. I will start measuring or counting the scale from here slowly up. That means it goes up to 32, 33, 0, 10, 20, 30, 33. Correct? If I try to measure the third angle, आपके जैसा नहीं, मेरे पास बहुत प्रोट्रैक्टर है, एक नहीं, तो मैं अलग अलग प्रोट्रैक्टर से मेजर करें. Now in this case it goes beyond 90. I will start the same way from right side because the angle began from here. ऐसा मेशर करके इधर पहुंचने तक it became 135 almost. So these are different angles because of the measure. I will draw a few more angles here. There is another angle. Let me measure that angle also. While measuring this angle, I have to take care. What is that? From which side I should start counting? ये measurement में देखो, the one arm is here, another is here. So naturally I should start from left side in this case, and the angle opens from there. So that is why I told I will draw one more, because I want to tell you this. So this angle, if I think about measuring it, from where I will start counting the scale, here I will start from here and will go here and go here and go here, and I will reach to 135. So in that case, this is also measuring more than 130. I am drawing one more angle. This angle is again peculiar, please take care. In all these angle, here is an angle, one side of the angle. This angle I will specially mark. This is the arrow tip, and I will also mark the, the vertex where I am supposed to have. This is the vertex. In all these cases, vertex is there here. Sorry, vertex is here. In this case, vertex is here. Here the vertex is. Oh, because of that, what do we say, protractor, it is not allowing to put the vertex now. Anyway, this is the vertex, and the second line, second arm, otherwise, I am drawing from here to the opposite side. Now what will happen? I have to take the same protractor to measure the angle. I'll bring the protractor here, keep the protractor here. What will happen now? The protractor measurement is, sorry, protractor measurement is showing 180. Count from this side, left side or right side, you will get measurement equal to 180. Understood? So this is a very special case where you are having the measure of the angle equal to 180. There is a maximum measurement on this protractor. Otherwise we need one more protractor. Now one more angle I am trying to draw. उसके बाद मैं ख़त्म करता हूँ. आपको टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स बताना है ना. How that angle should be, I am drawing a line for the angle. Sorry. Okay. Again, I would like to mark the arrow tip of this. Also would like to mark the vertex of this, simply marked. The second one, second arm, I am drawing again on the same line. थोड़ा दिखने के लिए मैंने उसको जाड़ा किया. And its arrow tip is here. अभी आपको प्रोट्रैक्टर लेके आके इसको मेजरमेंट करना है. ठीक है, इधर रखा. अभी क्या होगा? अब 0 बोलेंगे कि 180 बोलेंगे कि 360 बोलेंगे. So situation like this will come. So in this case we know that the measurement can be in two ways. One is taking the whole measurement around this vertex and write the measurement as 360. 360 degree. Otherwise, don't start the measurement because both lines are same, so it will be 0. These are the options. And after reaching here, I remember one more angle for you. What is that angle? That angle can be, I will show it in the next page. That angle can be like this. See, look here. One side of the, or one arm of the angle, the other arm like this, arrow tip here, and the measurement is here. That means if I use a protractor, the protractor becomes insufficient to measure it. देखो किधर से measure करो. It is more than 180. इधर 180 है, उसके बाद और घूम के मेजर करना है, घुमा के मेजर करना है. देखो, such angles are also possible. Now we are going to name these different types of angles just to be so. The first one is just like a revision now for you. The first one was exactly 90 degree, and such angles are named as right angle. ये आपको मालूम है. I think right angle is known to you. This one, the second one, which we found less than 90 degree. What is it? Less than 90 degree. Less than 90. Such angles are named as acute angle. Here comes the next category. The next category is having measurement when we measured more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. Such angles are named as obtuse angle. Okay. So this is also an obtuse angle there. This is also obtuse angle, but there is a peculiarity. This angle is 180 degree. 180 degree. 180 degree angle is also named as straight angle. What's it? Straight angle. This one has got two names. When it is 360, we call it as complete angle. We call it as complete angle. Right here, complete. And otherwise it can also be named as zero angle. वो एंगल शुरू ही नहीं हुआ है. So my dear students, these are different types of angle depending upon the measure of the angle. आपको याद रखना है, क्या याद रखना है? Angles are of different types and it can be named in this way depending upon the measure of it. Earlier we wondered by seeing that how these angles are different because their measures are different. Protractor is used for measuring the angle, and by measuring the angle we found that 90-degree angle is called right angle, less than 90-degree angle is called acute angle, more than 90-degree angle is called obtuse angle, and 180-degree angle is called straight angle, and 360-degree angle is called complete angle. Otherwise the same 0 degree is called zero angle. फिर हमने और एक एंगल का ड्राइंग किया था जिसका मेजरमेंट में हमको एक प्रोट्रैक्टर से मुश्किल पड़ रहा था. दिस एंगल more than 180 but not 360, 359 तक हो सकता. This is in Greece, okay. This kind of angles are named as reflex angle. Reflex angle का measurement, reflex angle, reflex angle, reflex angle का measurement 180 डिग्री से लेके 181 पकड़ो, 181 डिग्री से लेके आगे 360 से 1 कम करेंगे 359 तक चलेगा. Such angles are reflex angles. सिर्फ कैटेगराइज कर रहे हैं. ओके, we have to go ahead about angles. That will be done in the next video.